Hello, in this video we'll show you how to remove and replace the AC compressor on Volkswagen Touran 1.9 TDI. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the side of the engine, and the AC compressor is on the bottom of the engine. It's right there. You can see that's the serpentine belt, and the last pulley on the bottom is the AC compressor. To remove the AC compressor, we need to go underneath the car, but here from top of the car, we need to remove the two AC lines, which are right there, two Torx bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the two bolts for the AC lines removed. We just need to pull out the AC lines. Now we're on the bottom of the car, and the AC compressor is right there. So in order to get to the AC compressor, we need to remove a couple of stuff, but first we'll remove the serpentine belt. To remove the serpentine belt, first we need to remove the three bolts holding the fuel filter housing in place and move the fuel filter housing to the side without disconnecting any fuel lines. Now that the three bolts are removed, we're going to move the fuel filter to the side. Now that the fuel filter housing is removed, we have access to the serpentine belt. That's the tensioner right there. We're going to put a pin in the tensioner so that it holds it in place when we turn the tensioner. There's two holes, one of them is there and the other one is right there. The pin has to go in the two holes and to hold the tensioner in place. To turn the tensioner, you use a wrench size 16. You need to turn the tensioner clockwise and just put the pin in between the holes, and then the serpentine belt should be loose and we can remove it. That's the serpentine belt removed. Next we're going to start removing the AC compressor. This is what the AC compressor looks like. It's held by three bolts, one on top, one on the bottom and one on the rear. These are the three bolts that we need to remove from the AC compressor. So one of the bolts is right there that we need to remove, and the two other bolts we're going to remove from the bottom. That's the top both removed. Now we're going to remove this metal plate, which is held by two bolts, one there and one on the other side. We're going to remove the bolts and remove the plate. We're also going to remove this air intake hose because it's in our way. Now that the air intake hose and the metal plate are removed, we have access to the AC compressor. That's the bolt that we need to remove, one of them, and the other bolt is right there. Now that the two bottom bolts are removed, I'm going to take out the AC compressor. It's a tight spot, so you might want to wiggle it a little bit, maybe move the hoses to the side, and it will come out eventually. There is an electrical connector on top of the compressor, so don't forget to disconnect that. And that's the AC compressor out. Now I'm going to replace it with a new one. Before putting on the new compressor, don't forget to replace the O-rings on the two AC lines, and then you can put it back on the AC compressor. Assembling it is in the exact reverse order. I have a different video on my channel where I'm showing the routing of the serpentine belt if you don't know how it goes. Hopefully the video is helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.